In this video, you will learn how to run TikTok ads directly to your WhatsApp group. A step-by-step tutorial, easy to understand even if you are a complete beginner. In case you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Popka Innocent. On this channel, I teach step-by-step tutorials on how to run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and TikTok ads. So if you're interested in learning social media marketing the right way, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscribe button below, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next social media marketing tutorial. Have you done that now? Alright, let's continue. Log in your TikTok Ads Manager account. At the top bar here, you will see campaigns. Click on campaigns. At the left hand side, you will see this create button. Click on create. Select traffic advertising objective. On the right hand side, you will see campaign setup. Ensure that you select manual campaign. Then scroll down, you will see campaign name here. You can edit your campaign. So I can call it WhatsApp group. Down below at the right hand side, you will see continue button. Click on continue. Now you are at ad group. Name your ad group. I will still call it WhatsApp group. You can use the name of what you're promoting to name your ad group, your campaign, and your ad. Scroll down, you will see optimization location. We are driving this traffic to WhatsApp group. So select websites. After that, scroll down, you will see placement. Don't use automatic placement. So click on select placement. So we want to select the placement manually. Uncheck global app bundle and also uncheck Pango. Okay, leave it at TikTok. We want only TikTok placement. Then scroll down, you will see targeting. You can go ahead to set your targeting based on demographics, interest-based targeting, and all that. I have a detailed step-by-step video on how to know the right targets for your audience, especially the interest-based targeting. The link will be at the description of this video. So if you have not watched that video, after watching this one, go and watch that video. That will address every targeting you need to do here. So let's move on. If you scroll down, after targeting, you will see budget and schedule. For my daily budget, I am setting it at 5,000 naira. You can use minimum of 1,500 naira as at the time of recording this here. Then for schedule, you can set your time, how long you want your ad to last. Okay, if you don't want to stop the ad anytime soon, you can leave it to keep running and you pause it when you like. But I want to set a stop time and date. So scroll down, you will see set start and end time. This is the planned start time, but this ad is going to start when it is approved, because after submitting your ad will be in review and it will only start running after approval. Okay, so just leave this time like this. But if you want to schedule it to run, maybe to start running in 2 or 3 days time, then set that date. Just click on it, you see the calendar and set the date. You can go backward or go forward depending on the month you want it to start. Okay, then the end time, just click on this particular one. You can set the calendar. Okay, today is 5th of November at the time of recording this video. So I want this to end on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want to run it for 1 week. Now you will see your time zone here depending on your location. Then scroll down. For day party, leave it at all day. Then for bidding and optimization, the optimization goal I want to use here is not landing page views. I don't want people that will just go there, view the landing page, but will not take action. I want people that will actually take action. So you will see this drop down button here. Click on the drop down button. There is click, there is landing page view, and we also have engage session. Pay attention. For click, if you check on that, you will see we will deliver your ads to the people most likely to click on your ad. I don't just want people that will click on the ad. I want people that will join my WhatsApp group. For landing page view, you will see we will deliver your ads to the people most likely to land on your website. That means they will go through WhatsApp. But what is the probability that they will actually take action to click on the join group button and join my WhatsApp group? That's the people I want. For the third one, where you see engage session, under it they say we will deliver your ads to the people most likely to take action, and that is the people I want. I want people that will take action. So I will select engaged session. After selecting engaged session, scroll down. For target CPA, I don't want to set any value. I'll leave it for TikTok to determine that. Then scroll down, you will see next button right here. Click on next. We are now at the ad level. Give your ad a name. Use the same name you use for campaign and ad group for your ad name. Okay, then scroll down. The next thing is ad details, ad creative. So this is where you select your video or image you want to use for your ad. Click on add videos or image. It will load like this. If you have already uploaded that video or image on your TikTok account, click on TikTok post and you will see all the videos. If you have not, and you want to upload it from your device or from your laptop or phone, click on creative library. Then at the right hand side here, you will see this upload button. Click on upload and you'll be able to upload it from your device. Are you seeing that? Just click on drop file here and it will upload. Just click like this and select whatever you want to upload download from your laptop or your phone. I hope you understand. Mine is already on my TikTok account, so I will go there and click on TikTok post to select what I want to use. So right here, I will select this particular one as the account. Then after selecting it, down below you will see this confirm button. Click on confirm. Haven't done that, you will see your video creative here and it will show up on the right hand side here. Scroll down, you will see call to action. Select specific call to action that is related to what you want to promote. Remember, I'm sending this to my WhatsApp group. So when they say contact us today, no, I don't want this particular call to action. So just click on the X button to delete it. Then apply now. I don't want that. Fill your claim. No, I'll remove that one. Visit us today. No. Order now. No. Get started. No, I don't want that. Visit us now. No. So remove the ones that you don't want. Chat with us today. No, I don't want that. I want learn more. So I will use learn more. That's what I want. When they click on it, to take them to my WhatsApp group. Okay. Then scroll down. You can add a product name here, but if you don't want, then you can leave it. Okay. I can call it social media marketing class. Then after adding the product name, you can see add product image, but it's not necessary. Then the next thing, selling point, you can just leave it. Then you see advanced settings here. Under advanced settings, you can see interactive add-on, but I don't want that. You can just leave that. Okay. Then you will see destination. Scroll down, you will see destination URL here. Then go ahead, copy your WhatsApp group link. This is my WhatsApp group link. So I will just copy it, right? Then I will go back to TikTok Ads Manager and paste it right here. After pasting your WhatsApp group link like this, scroll down, you will see direct users to deeper link first. No, leave it off. Then scroll down. Next is tracking. Tracking is optional. TikTok will do the offline tracking for you. So scroll down and you will see submit button. Depending on the type of ad account you're using, you will see submit or publish all. They are all the same. So go ahead, publish your ad or submit your ad, and it will be in review. After review, your ad will be approved. Ensure that you have money in your ad account before publishing your ad. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll reply to all your questions. Don't forget to like this video if you have not done that.